Hello, it's Akos here from ATech Flow. Welcome back to my channel. Today video will be about the AMEELA projector. We can see the projector on the ceiling. So the kids on your house no need to left, no need to right, no need to sit. Just lay behind and watch the ceiling and watch the 10 hours video. Let's go.
What's up guys, it's Akos here from ATech Flow. Welcome back to my channel. Today will be a little bit different as usually, so not about accessory, not about phones. It will be a bit different, but honestly it's surprisingly very good. This is the AMEELA Smart 4K projector, model AC321, and this is basically a full home cinema in one small box. It's got Netflix, Prime Video and YouTube built in. It's got Dolby sound and it's got this really cool auto setup system where it literally sets the image up for you. No TV, no Fire Stick, no Chromecast, just turn it on and start watching. So yeah, let me show you what you can actually get and how these things work in real life. Let's go! So let's start with the unboxing as usual. When you open the box, it's actually pretty nice. You get the projector itself with the stand already attached, so you don't have to build anything. You get a power cable, a proper HDMI cable, the remote control, just remember the batteries aren't included. And then you also get a lens cover, which I really like because it keeps the lens clean when you are not using it. They even throw in a cleaning kit with a cloth and little lens sticks, plus the manual and quick start guide. So honestly you don't need to buy anything else to start using it. And now let's speak about the design and the build. Now the first thing I noticed when I picked it up is how clean and modern it looks. It doesn't feel like one of those old school office projectors, you know. It actually looks like something you'd leave out in your living room. And the best part is this built-in stand. This is not just a little foot, it's fully adjustable, so you can tilt the whole projector up and down, rotate it, and even point it at the ceiling if you want to lie in the bed and watch something above you. Because the stand is built into the body, it feels really solid. You don't need books, tripods or anything like that. You just set it where you want and you're done. That's what they mean by free projection. You can just literally put this thing almost anywhere and you get a picture. Let's speak about the features. Now this is where the AMEELA really feels smart. The moment you turn it on, it starts doing everything automatically. It focuses the image by itself, it straightens it, it's fitted to the wall, and even if something is in front of it, it tries to move the picture around it. So you've got autofocus, auto keystone, screen alignment, and obstacle avoidance all working in the background. That means if you move it, tilt it, or change the angle, you don't have to go into menus and mess around. It just fixes itself. And that's honestly amazing, especially if you are using it in a bedroom or you keep moving it around. And picture-wise, this is a full HD 1080p projector. But it supports 4K input, so when you play a 4K movie from Netflix or YouTube, it downscales it and keeps all the extra detail and color information. And you can really see it. The image looks sharp, clean and not washed out like on cheap projectors. It can go all the way from 45 inches up to 200 inches, depending on how far back you place it. The recommended distance is around 1 to 6 meters, which means you can use it in a small bedroom or a big living room and still get a massive screen. Movies, anime, sports, YouTube, it all looks really good. And now let's speak another important thing, the smart system and the sound. Now this is where this projector really starts to feel like a proper smart TV replacement. The AMEELA AC321 has its own built-in app store, so you are not limited to just a few apps. You can download Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube and literally over 100,000 other apps directly on the projector. And the important thing here is that it plays genuine movie content, so you don't get those weird copyright blocks or low quality streams that you sometimes see on cheaper Android projectors. Everything just works properly. That also means you don't need a Fire Stick or Chromecast, just turn it on, connect to Wi-Fi, log in and you're watching on a massive screen. On the top of that you get Dolby audio. So the sound coming out of the built-in speaker is actually pretty decent. I'm using it with my PC and with my mobile phone, and I have to tell already, it's a 5-watt speaker, which is more than enough for a bedroom or a small living room. And if you want more, you can just connect Bluetooth speakers or headphones. So yeah, picture, apps, sound, it's all built in. And the connectivity on this thing is actually really solid. It supports dual band Wi-Fi, so both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, which means wireless mirroring is fast and stable. You can mirror your phone or any Miracast-enabled device straight to the projector without cables. It also has Bluetooth 5.2 with two-way audio, so you can connect Bluetooth speakers, headphones, or even use the projector as a Bluetooth speaker if you want. And because it's using officially authorized Dolby audio, everything you watch just sounds more immersive, whether you're using the built-in speaker or external audio. So whether you're streaming, mirroring, or running a full home cinematic setup, it handles it really well. So who is it actually for? If you don't want a big TV on the wall, if you live in a bedroom or apartment, or if you just want something you can move around and use anywhere, this makes so much sense. You literally put it down, turn it on, and you get a cinema. You get automatic setup, built-in streaming apps, Dolby sound, a huge screen, and that flexible built-in stand, all in one small device. It doesn't feel complicated, and that's what makes it super. And a huge thanks to AMEELA to sending me this product over and sponsoring today's video. It was a pleasure to test it, review it, and use it every day. It's just, guys, honestly, 1000% I can recommend this product. And let me share you one small story. It wasn't happened before, but it was the first time and I was shocked. So when I get the projector a few weeks ago, I put on my story this projector like I using it as a home cinema in the bedside. So it was on the bed table. And I put Facebook story, how it looks and how the picture is, so how is the picture quality. And the next week, one of my colleagues asking me the model number. I let them know and he straight away bought it from Amazon. And one another guy, he showed him and he as well bought the same model, same from Amazon. And after that, the third or the second day, one of the guy from the evening shift as well came to me and say, cause I see your story, and I was like, buying this projector is so good, you put on the ceiling and you can watch it. I can't wait to go home in the weekend and watch it. Guys, this is very, very good projector, I'm telling you. I know it's a paid content and I can say anything good and I can hide anything bad, but trust me, no. Lad, guys, bros, sis, girls, guys, everyone, I absolutely recommend that this projector is just so good. So guys, that was my honest review of AMEELA AC321 projector. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't yet subscribed, please, if you want, press the like button and whatever, you know everything. And make your thoughts down in the comments below and I will answer any question. And I leave the link below in the comment section so you can buy it for yourself. You will not regret it, 100%. Thank you guys. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.